my channel. It is Shandestria, and I'm back with a butterfly lock style tutorial, just of how I styled my hair while wearing these butterfly locks or soft locks. I really don't know which one they call it. I was a bit iffy when I first did this style, just because I didn't feel like I would be able to create like hairstyles within this style with my hair, because it is so short. But I was able to do like a few things with it. These are actually old. I'm getting ready to take them out, but I just figured before I did, I would go ahead and make a video of how I actually wore my hair while having this protector style in my hair, which was very easy. I did use the crochet method. I'm not sure how long they've been in exactly, but I will leave it over here somewhere. Most of the time I do not leave styles in my hair for a long time, so this is really different. I will try this again because they are just so cute. They really grew on me after maybe a couple of days. They grew on me. It did not pull my hair too much, and now they are light. I will do a takedown video of my hair as well, but let's go ahead and jump into this video and see what kind of hairstyles I can create with my butterfly locks. These were just a few of the styles that I actually wore my hair in while I had this protective style in, just to give it a different look. This being one of my favorites, I love this look. And then you can also see the butterfly effects from it. The last one was something actually I just thought about doing while making this video for you guys. So that was actually really cute. But I'm getting ready to take these down. You can catch this in my next video, the takedown process for this. I will link it in my video once I put that one out. Again, I did love this style. It did have to grow on me after a couple of days. It was really easy to put in, so I will leave the link to that video somewhere around here. Maybe I put a card up top for you guys. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.